They dammed my water, so I fired up the backhoe. My spread 640 acres of high desert ranchland outside Burns, Oregon, sagebrush and juniper country where every gallon counts. A spring creek slices through, fed from the Steens, keeping 300 head of Hereford's fat and my alfalfa circles green. Those rights date to 1947, priority 1 in the basin. 30 years, 0 fights, until Ethan and Chloe, tech money from Seattle, snagged the upstream parcel. They branded it an off-grid eco-sanctuary, paid cash, rolled in with solar panels and a Prius. Met Ethan at the property corner. Told him straight. Creek's my lifeblood, senior rights locked in. He smiled, said he honored the land's history. 6 weeks later, the creek dropped to a seep. Hiked up, found a 15-foot earthen berm, pond already mirroring their A-frame. Cattle bawling, pivots coughing dust. I marched to their deck. You stole my water. Ethan sipped kombucha. It's still moving, just managed. The koi need depth. I drove to Harney County Watermaster Dale, who's been reading gauges since Nixon. Dale checked the docket. 1947 trumps everything. He clocked flow, down 80%. Cease and desist served. Ethan lawyered up, claimed beneficial use for wetlands. I retained Laura, a third-generation water litigator. She filed for injunction same day. Pastures baked. I hauled tanker loads at $400 a pop. Judge Harlan, raised on a Malheur County ranch, heard it in emergency session. Ruled, senior rights absolute, dam illegal. Breach in 14 days or plaintiff may breach and back charge. Day 15, dam still smug. I rolled in with the Cat 320, Laura videotaping, sheriff on standby. One pass and the berm folded. Water roared like a freight train, carving its old channel through my fields. Ethan and Chloe sprinted out, yelling about carbon sequestration. I handed over the order. Court says hi. They sued for pond replacement. Dismissed in 10 minutes, plus my attorney fees, $3,800 in hauled water and excavator rental. State DEQ tagged the unpermitted structure, fined them $5,000, mandated full restoration. Creek's running strong again. Cattle are quiet.